And I can tell you there is no one better than Jenni Flinders, who leads our partner organization when it comes to talking about powerful partnerships. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Jenni Flinders. Jenni?
Hey, César.
I'm pretty sure that's your team.
Oh, thank you for that warm welcome, and hello, Insight.
Come on.
It has been so special to see you all here in person. But one more thing, let me hear it for the NetApp partners in the audience. César, what a fascinating conversation with Timbaland this morning. Gosh, what were some of your takeaways there? I didn't know that what he was doing was even possible.
Yeah, well, I think we see that, as I said, in many other industries. But yeah, it was interesting to hear how much the music industry has evolved in the last 30 years, like many others, but how the AI and how they're using it for the future. You know, and we saw a common equation. Success comes from taking advantage of technology advancements, you know, while innovating with industry leaders. And it allows people to do things that we have really never dreamed before.
You know, and it's the same for NetApp, if I think about it. Yeah. We pride ourselves in over 30 years of future-forward innovation, you know, just focusing on that innovation. And we're always looking forward to helping our customers turn disruption into opportunities. And we've been able to deliver better, smarter solutions through our amazing partnerships out there.
100%, 100%. And look, I love looking back to our history. You know, I was not here 30 years ago, but you know, how we got here through collaboration and co-innovation with our partners and our customers as well, Jenni.
Yeah.
You know, we talked so much the past few days about AI. And one of our longtime partnerships here at NetApp is, you know, it's NVIDIA. You know, yesterday we heard from Charlie Boyle about all the advancements in AI that we're doing together.
And then what you heard yesterday was just a sliver of what's actually possible, right? And we continue to work really closely with NVIDIA as we use AI to predict a smarter future and better customer outcomes as well.
Well, look, when NetApp was founded, AI and cloud certainly were not top of mind. Some people say they were not there. I said, let's just say it was not a top of mind. Back then, all of us will have been amazed at what has been made possible today. You see, when NetApp entered this industry, we solved data storage challenges for customers who were seeing their data growth accelerate. And we accurately predicted that the need for storage and infrastructure flexibility will dramatically expand. And we have seen that happen.
Absolutely, that's very true. And what's amazing is how we've been able to offer that freedom of choice. And we provide smarter infrastructure solutions with our partner ecosystem out there to maximize the value for our customers. And together, we create solutions for their needs as they evolve over time. So I'd say at NetApp, our partnerships are not just our strength, they're actually your strength. And César, you know, we love our partners because we believe that innovating together helps our customers win. But if we look back for a moment, César, do you remember as public clouds, you know, just began expanding in the data storage market, we actually saw an opportunity to be part of a solution for our customers, both in the current and future data needs. And we were actually ahead of the curve. So we actually fostered a partnership to jointly offer NetApp solutions natively on 3 of the world's largest public clouds. Now, whether your customer wants to store data on premises or in the cloud, we offer that flexibility and choice because we have partnerships with AWS, Google, and Microsoft, and many others.
Well, we're quite unique there. And talking about, you know, the big cloud vendors, on day one, as you know, we had here Google Cloud. Yesterday, we heard some updates on the partnership and the things that we're doing with AWS. And Jenni, just after you leave stage, I have here Microsoft. We're going to talk to Microsoft as well and get some good updates.
I know, and I'm looking forward to that one, to the conversation with Microsoft. So great. Now, in my opinion, and I'm not just biased, but I'd say that our partners are NetApp's it factor. Would you agree? César.
I love it. Look, listen, you know me very well. Please tell me that's your team. Just tell me that's your team in the first row.
That's our partners.
Here's the truth. Here's the truth.
Yeah.
You know, we need to build technology that can serve customers, but our partners are the ones that are really bringing that, you know, to our customers, based on their market expertise, their industry expertise, and the different certifications that they go through.
Oh,
and that's the way we need to serve our customers.
Now, I could talk all day about partners and how incredible they are and their capabilities and how they are helping us, you know, really deliver on customer success. But in fact, you've heard from some amazing customers this week. Just yesterday, you heard from Nubank, remember? When we spoke
I know them
about
quite well.
Right? They actually worked with one of our top partners in Brazil, Real Cloud, to actually deliver on that solution, which is pretty remarkable.
Very good.
Yeah. Now, on another note, I'm actually pleased to announce an offering today. So I'm going to announce a new VMware modernization service, which will be delivered by our partners for our customers. And this opportunity for hybrid multi-cloud environments will ease VMware and cloud migrations, giving you ultimate flexibility and choice. So come find us in the expo hall at the PartnerSphere booth, and we will tell you how to take heed of this amazing opportunity.
Love it.
But César, before I leave, one more thing. We have an opportunity to recognize our Partner Innovation Award winner.
Yeah.
So I wonder if you would join me in the honors of congratulating our award winner for this year.
I love it. And I think you should be the one taking the honors.
I can do that. So our Partner Innovation Award is actually an award that shines a spotlight on an exemplary partner, someone who's outstanding, that leverages NetApp technology to create forward future solutions. Now, the winner of this year's Innovation Award definitely fits the bill. So do you know why they won?
I do, because I discussed that with you. So absolutely, with innovation across the entire stack, they pioneered data-centered design and power deployments. You know, they really improved sustainability, you know, and AI to create the best customer solution for their customers. Yeah, the best solution.
Pretty remarkable. So without further ado, I'm very, very, very honored to announce that this year's winner of the Partner Innovation Award goes to none other than Cluster Power.
Thank you. Congratulations, Vladimir.
Vladimir, congratulations.
Of course you should.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. I love what you've been doing. Everybody talks these days. AI, sustainability. You guys are here for leading the pace. So why don't you share a little bit about your thoughts there?
So thank you very much, Jenny and César. It's a great honor to receive this award. We really appreciate everything NetApp does, and we really are looking forward to continuing our partnership.
Well, we really appreciate what you're doing, and thanks to you and your efforts, we can serve better our customers.
Don't you have something more to say about a breakout session?
Well, yeah, of course. We're still having a breakout session in which we are presenting what we are doing within Cluster Power and together with our unique customer, Humans AI, and of course, leveraging the great NetApp technology.
That's fantastic. Thank you for everything you do, your partnership, and for leaning in on building future-forward solutions for our customers. César, and thank you for supporting our partners at NetApp.
Absolutely. We need the partners. We need partners like you to have happy customers. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you. Thank to all our partners here. Thank you so much. And I really mean it. I want to say thank you to all our partners for making this possible, because that's the way to do business together. That's the way to serve our customers. And I want to also ask you, please make sure that you stop by the Partner Soundbite, today. Timbaland got started, the party today. I hope that you really enjoyed there. Jenny brought the passion of partnership with his frontline team, talking about partners. And I hope that now we're going to supercharge it. Because in reality, we have a birthday to celebrate today. It's a birthday because 4 years ago, we decided to go all in. We went all in with our partnership, in this case with Microsoft, and decided to bring, and we brought, a high-performance storage solution that we call Azure NetApp Files. Many of you have used it. Many of you have been giving us feedback. And this really has enabled us, and our customers to run the most demanding workloads in the cloud. Since then, we have doubled down our partnership to bring the best NetApp offerings to our customers, not just through the Azure console, but also through the Azure Marketplace. And to properly celebrate this birthday with me, I'm thrilled to invite Microsoft Azure Corporate Vice President, Merrie Williamson. Merrie? Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah.
Thank you, Merrie.
Thank you, Cesar. Wow, look at this crowd. I love it. Just so much energy and optimism today. It was great.
Of course. We're in a birthday today, so people is energized, and we're thrilled to have you here with us.
Well, first, it's great to be here, and happy anniversary or birthday of this 4-year great partnership. I can't believe it's been 4 years since we launched the Azure NetApp Files with Azure.
Look, there's so many things that happened in 4 years. When we were talking before, it's like this,
Yeah.
But here we are. Actually, since 4 years ago, we didn't have Insight in person, so 4 years.
Oh, wow. Since then, we have welcomed thousands of customers into this partnership, and we continue to meet customers where they need us to be, which is modernizing and moving to the cloud. Together, we've been addressing the demands of customers' performance, scalability, security, and productivity with extraordinary teamwork. I'm so grateful.
Well, look, I think it's amazing the work that we have done. And Merrie, I wanted to kick this off by talking with you about the many, many successes we have seen with Azure NetApp Files. It's one of the, it's the highest performing enterprise file service in Azure today, and even the most demanding applications get better performance that we have never seen before in the cloud. And this has allowed us and so many customers to migrate business critical workloads to the cloud successfully. And I guess it's why Azure NetApp Files has become one of the fastest ever growing services in Azure, right?
Yeah, that is right. A few years ago, it was difficult, challenging to migrate big, important workloads, VMware, SAP, Epic, and other high-performance applications to the cloud due to their size. Now we have customers regularly moving large files, 400 terabyte SAP workloads, including HANA, to Azure in less than 5 months. I heard a few weeks ago.
Less than 5 months.
Yes. Speed, I think that's, with that digital optimism, we all want to get to where we need to be faster these days. I also heard a few weeks ago from one of the CIOs of one of our largest customers that describes this SAP transition to Azure as flawless. So we know that quality and speed are both really important to our customers. I want to also talk a little bit about customers in the semiconductor industry. If any of you are out there, you're near and dear to my heart. I spent 20 years in the semiconductor industry. And one workload we talk about is in electronic design automation, EDA for many of you who are in that industry. So electronic design automation to Azure. These innovative customers move to Azure with NetApp performance, scalability, and security while dramatically reducing their time to market and cost of chip design. And for all of us that know we need more chips and more silicon over the horizon, this is super important. Azure NetApp Files is a key service for these customers, and NetApp has been just a fantastic partner, together with AMD, with Microsoft supporting this specific industry for purpose-built solutions for chip design. And all of this is occurring during an unprecedented demand for powering chips with AI.
100%, 100%, and I know how deep that industry is for you, and I feel super proud of the progress that we have made. But as I said before, I think we have many more customer cases. I don't know if you want to share some others.
Yeah, and I think there's the work that goes near and dear to our hearts as technologists, but then I think from Microsoft we really do live this mission-centered vision of seeing how our technology helps the world. So another customer, St. Luke's University Health Systems, comes to mind. They're saving millions of dollars running 100% of their Epic environments on Azure, including breakthrough clarity database migration. Savings like that make it possible for them to provide that to their more affordable healthcare for their patients. So it's no surprise that Azure NetApp Files was essential to each of the success stories we've talked about. Cesar, you and I both know it's not just about technical capabilities. I bet a lot of you lead with technology as your core, but it's really about how we embrace customers' questions around how do you save us money and really transform the business during this amazing time, right? And it's always great when we can come together as partners and say there's these use cases which we know we can provide value. We have customers migrating enormous amounts of complex SAP workloads to Azure together. We know that reducing backup time 50% is common for our customers, increasing our application response time by 40%, and improving TCOs by 30%. So I feel really good about the value we bring to customers. And Azure NetApp Files is critical to their success. So Cesar, I'm really excited to celebrate this anniversary of 4 years and the many more to come.
No, I love it. And as we have discussed, there's so many customers have shared with me how they have moved this sub-environments, with Azure NetApp Files. And this stage is overflowing with world-class success stories. I mean, there's many customers here, as you know, that are using to the Azure NetApp Files. And speaking of successful migrations using Azure NetApp Files, we'll be talking about, Kraft Heinz success story in our Freedom of Infrastructure jam session later today. So I hope that you guys join that. And I don't want to spoil it, but they're creating a predictive, agile operations model that is going to lead in their industry. So NetApp has successfully offered our cloud portfolio of products, as you know, on the Azure platform natively and also in the marketplace. And we have experienced significant growth in solutions like CVO. A new offering from Microsoft, actually called multi-party private offers, has partners and customers excited to get these deals on quickly and burn down on their Azure commit. That's something that we discussed, and now we're live there, right?
Right, and I know a lot of your partners in the audience, so hopefully this is very exciting for you all. I'm excited that the partnership brings cloud volumes on tap with our customers to the Azure marketplace. I think we now can call that CVO, but CVO in Azure is a complementary storage solution to customers' on-premise workloads.
Yep.
And we all love hybrid. I think it's the reality of a lot of our customers. Enterprise companies of all sizes have significant strategic bets on the Microsoft cloud. Now, we're making it possible for them to bring their Azure commitments to bear and purchase and run solutions on Azure. So I think great for partners.
Right.
With the recent launch of the multi-party private offer, we've made it possible for your partners to create and custom deals for your cloud solutions for the Azure marketplace. Now, your partners can consult and support our customers and take full advantage of the best NetApp has to offer in Azure. Together, we're meeting customer requirements, speed, security, scalability, cost optimization, and you're a great partnership on that.
Yeah, I mean, we're sharing all this, but we have done all this in less than 4 years, in 4 years. Yeah. So it's, I'm super proud of what we have accomplished together in these years. And in fact, before you go, I'm thrilled that we can announce a brand new feature of Azure NetApp Files. I think we agreed that we're going to announce it here. So will you help me to do the honors?
I'd be happy to, and you can drum roll in your seats. But today we are pleased to announce a new standard storage with cool access feature now available on Azure NetApp Files. I'm super excited about this for a couple reasons. First, many of our customers have very large file repositories that are often unchanged for long periods of time, but still require the ability for users to retain immediate access to their data at any point in time. This is exactly where Azure NetApp Files standard storage with cool access makes an impact and has the potential to reduce cost and the use of high-performance storage. Customers can configure exactly how and when their data should be deemed cool, and then the system will automatically tier that data. Simply set and save.
Yeah, and Merrie, as we discussed, this can drastically reduce cost by transparently moving cold data off to lower cost Azure storage, while retaining transparent access to data for all the users. And not only is this feature more cost effective, it's also more sustainable, and the way we're going to go on treat colder data and store that colder data, right? The beauty is that users will not see the difference in the way data is presented. And they have continued access to all files and folders transparently. Actually, we should take a look at the TCO savings estimator. Azure NetApp Files users can utilize this estimator to assess and predict their potential savings when adopting standard storage with cool access based on their own parameters. In fact, you can also evaluate the impact of your footprint of moving data on high-performance flash to lower cost and more sustainable Azure storage with the same estimator.
Love it.
And this is live.
I love it. I love it. You know, anything that makes it simple for our customers and partners really helps really motivate customers to move faster.
Yeah.
And it's really great to see in action. I hope that all of our Azure NetApp file users take advantage of this new feature and enjoy the benefits to the sustainability footprint and the bottom line.
Look, cheers for all these years working together and actually for moving some of the largest portfolio of HPC customers to the cloud.
I'm so excited about where we've done it in our partnership thus far. I'm excited for the years ahead. I'm thrilled to be here with this digital optimism in this room. I just see leaders and partners that are really helping define the future through some tough times, and I'm really grateful to be here, César.
Well, we're super thankful. I can tell you that our teams in every single country are working together. I really like how you guys call us, how we call you at the end of the day, how we bring partners and we serve our customers. So Merrie, thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Merrie.
Thank you, César.
Well, Microsoft, Timberland, Jenni talking about all our partners. I hope you all have enjoyed this morning as much as I have. We talked a lot today about doing business better. You know, we explore AI-driven technology and apply an intelligent approach to your data infrastructure. And we've seen how the power of partnership can help you face the future ahead. But it's about so much more than improving bottom lines or cutting costs. I know we have a lot of pressure on that, but it's about successfully adapting to the ever-changing world that we're living in. NetApp strives to continuously innovate. We listen to our customers, evolve ahead of the market, and partners with top leaders to help you, our customers, succeed. Before you go, I have 4 key things that I hope that you walk away from this Insight 2023. First, AI runs on NetApp. AI runs on NetApp. We know the importance, the opportunity, and possibilities that AI offers to your business. We are not just on the game, but actually we're the best, because AI runs on NetApp. Second thing, NetApp is the new way to unify. Building better solutions means simplifying. This week, you heard how Block complements your overall environment. We're here to help you simplify and build solutions that help you take advantage of all the possibilities. Third, security. NetApp provides the most secure storage on the planet. We pride ourselves on the protection and security of all your data. Our customers sleep more soundly knowing that they can rely on NetApp and our technology. And fourth and lastly, cloud. NetApp is the only intelligent data infrastructure company and the only natively available on AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. I want to make sure that I reinforce this point. We're the only company that is working with the 3 largest hyperscalers in a natively way. And that's a huge differentiator for you, for our partners, and for customers to really embrace the cloud. This gives unmatched flexibility to build your data infrastructure anywhere, at any time, and in any cloud. And now I have something else for you, because I want to extend this special opportunity to everybody here at Insight. NetApp and our PartnerSphere AI competency partners are offering a workshop to help accelerate your roadmap towards generative AI. As you can see, there are incredible benefits to discover. So please join us in the expo hall at the PartnerSphere, to learn more. They're going to be there. There's a great opportunity, and I want to make sure that you take advantage of it. Look, I had a lot of fun, the last days and being here on stage, but actually more important, talking to many of you outside of stage, where you have been giving me feedback, you have been sharing with me, how much you appreciate some of the things that we do, and also some of the things that you want us to go and do. Oh, Mario, you're here. I was going to say, on that note, Mario, can you please come? You have done a great job. Thank you so much for being here with us.
César, it's been an absolute pleasure. César, this is...
Hey, Mario, can I say something?
Yeah.
I think you're part of that it factor as well.
I feel it. I feel like...
Maybe you should consider NetApp.
Look, NetApp is a beautiful organization, and when I prepare for things like this, folks, I research, I really check out some of what you all are doing and where you're working, and first off, I'm still trying to figure out how you're in Spain and your chief of staff is in Jose, and you all make it work amazingly somehow. And it's been ever since May, when I first came and met with NetApp and all the Zoom calls and the meetings, it was really relevant to me to see, I guess the real word that I'm thinking about is, it was really different and unique. In my job, I get to go on a lot of stages. I get to be at a lot of events. When you all said that this was going to be a data festival, you delivered on a data festival. I don't understand if you understand this, but there aren't tech companies that are doing what's happening to this degree. So for the leadership, the people that are behind the scenes, the people that work for César and the whole crew and George and everyone, I really would love for even the crew that has to bring...
100%. Putting this event together, it's a lot of months, a lot of work.
It is.
Please, let's give them a hand.
And you did it super fast. Give him a hand. Give him a hand, really. And this really was the launch of the intelligent data infrastructure. Like, this is it. So everything going forward, we're embracing this. We're embracing everything that's unique to us, being agile, anticipating our customers' needs in advance. You have that power now. You know what they're looking for. You know what you have to offer. You know how you're more unique than the competition. You've been hearing it for 3 days. So it's really an honor to be in this position to try to help move things along and keep the energy going. But it's also more serious to me than that. Because as Timberland mentioned, you all are really at the pulse of making changes and really impacting the industry. And when you impact your clients, that impacts people. And so we really appreciate everything that you all do and you take back and make the world a better place for all of us. So
Mario, thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
And that wasn't on the script, baby. That's not on the teleprompter. That's just straight from here, straight from here.
I met Mario months ago, and I'm so happy to have you here on stage with us. And I'm also so happy because I know you're going to be talking to everybody about the intelligent data infrastructure. That's NetApp. Thank you again. Please, thanks, Mario, for being here with us.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, César. Thanks, everybody. Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to close. Look, what a great few days together here. We had powerful stories from our customers and partners. One of the things that I really learned the last days was how much everybody appreciates having customers telling their stories instead of us telling their stories, right? So we're going to keep working on that. We heard from George the first day, Harv and Hayen, about our vision and portfolio, and we learned about innovation happening across industries. You join us here at our first in-person Global Insight event in the last 4 years. So I'm extremely thankful. I'm thankful to all of you for being here. I'm very thankful to our customers, thankful to our partners, but I'm also thankful to our sponsors. You guys have contributed to have this event here. I need to say you are the it factor. And at NetApp, we're here to serve and to support you on your transformational journey. We want to work closer with you. We want to learn from you. We want to team up. Of course, all of us feel like we're best in class. We might not be best in class, but what I can tell you is we are the best getting close to you, to learn from you, to work with you, and to help you. And for all that, I want to say thank you for your trust. Please, safe travels. Thank you for being here with us, and I'm looking forward to see you next year here in Vegas at Insight 2024. Thank you and safe travels to everybody.